One of the bouncer questions that happens in data science interviews is what is difference between hypothesis and assumption, and लोग इसमें भारी confused रहते हैं. Let me clarify those once and for all. Hypothesis is something that can be tested with an experiment. Let's say बारिश में छतरियां ज्यादा बिकेंगी. Of course, I know all of us know कि true है, but we can do test it. We can go out, collect the data set. अपन अलग अलग दुकानों से इनवॉइस का डेटा ले लेते हैं and we'll get to know how many umbrellas were sold during the rainy season versus otherwise in winters and in summers and so on and so forth. That is an hypothesis, something that can be tested with an experiment and data recording. However, assumption is something that cannot be tested. It can only be checked. उस पे एक experiment करके check टेस्ट नहीं करते, उसमें सिर्फ हो रहा है ये चेक हो सकता है. सो वन ऑफ द अजम्पशंस इज अगर पाप करेंगे तो बाद में नर्क मिलेगा. सो as much as this is good, I'm not saying assumptions are bad, assuming this is nice and because of that our society is a much better place to live in. But this cannot be checked. We cannot actually do a thing कि अपन किसी की आत्मा को टैग करें and देख रहे उसने बुरा कर्म किया है तो बाद में नर्क मिला. So that cannot actually be done. So no experiment can be performed. However, we can have this kind of a gut feeling that, somebody was not very good in the early part of their life and hence they are facing such a big trouble in the later part. So, sort of, we can check if the assumption is valid or not. And hence, linear regression में assumptions हैं that we check. We don't test for them. However, linear regression equation is a hypothesis, जिसका hypothesis testing and एक statistical test बन के आएगा. That's the difference. Don't get confused.